What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we'll be working on the Nissan again. As you've seen from the previous videos, we're almost done with the bodywork on it. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to finish up the last things by taking out this line on the inside over here and make it smooth the same as the other side. And then there's like a small dent in front which I have to take out. And then after that we're just going to flat the entire car and give it some primer.
So guys, while I was doing the dash, measuring out the new pattern,
I fixed like these two dents, the one on top and then the one here on the side. So it's all nice and smooth now. Only thing that's left is the one here at the back, which I'm gonna have to fix because it's not the same as that side. So I've already started to clean it, so I'm just gonna finish cleaning this piece over here, fix it so it's the same as that side, and then we can start to flatten the thing.
cool. Basically done with bodywork, or what do you say?
Yes, so I don't think there's any more bodywork left. If there is, we'll just like quickly knock it out, but I think we can start with take 600 and start flattening the car. Alright guys, so while we were sanding the roof, we felt that there was like dents over here, like two dents.
Yeah, I don't think the camera will pick it up, I don't know. You couldn't see it with the eye, but when we start sanding I could feel it.
Yes.
There's some dents there.
Yeah, so basically now we wanted to give the car primer now, but we're not gonna be able to give it primer now, so we're gonna first have to fix those dents, and then we'll give it some primer. So we're gonna continue with the rest of the sanding on the car now, and then
tomorrow we will do it. Which means then the video is not going to be uploaded today, which is a Sunday.
sorry about that.
So yeah, we try to keep on schedule. Yeah, so we're trying to bring out 2 videos out in 1 week. So like one on a Wednesday and then the other one
On a Friday.
on a Friday or
Saturday.
or on a Sunday actually. So I don't know which one you guys like, Friday or Sunday. So, but yeah.
This video is going to be up probably tomorrow or Tuesday, so
Yeah,
but,
on the latest, but I don't believe it will be on Tuesday. I
Tues-
think it will be tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Yes.
So, but now we're gonna have to get back to work and finish the sanding.
Cool.
Okay, guys. So we wanted to give the bucky primer now
In this video, actually.
in this video this morning, but there's not gonna be enough time to do that because we still have to like fix the dent, and then also it's like dirty here, and I don't know actually what
Yeah,
this stuff is. So
it's still sticky.
So I'm gonna have to clean that, fix the dent, and then we can give it some primer. So we're just gonna do that in the next video so we can get this video out to you guys. We're already late on this one, and then we'll have the new video for you
On Thursday.
on Thursday again, and then maybe another one on Sunday.
Yeah.
But for now, we're not gonna work on it in this video. So that's gonna be a wrap for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and also hit the subscribe button if you have not yet. And we'll see you next time.
Cheers.